Hey guys, welcome back. So today it's going to be about Ethereum versus US dollar. I have been sharing some charts with premium members, but I haven't made a public video for Ethereum for a very long time. So we're going to be talking about Ethereum for this quick video. So this is a screenshot that I shared on the premium group on Telegram, the 13th of August. You can see the date here. So this is basically 1 month ago, because today is 10th of September. So 1 month ago, I shared this screenshot, and I said the target for this massive bear flag is $50. However, it's likely it will jump back up to retest 400 as a resistance. So the massive bear flag is this. As you can see, this is the pole, the flag, and the pole. And it's the target is at $50. So let's take a look at the current chart here after 1 month from the screenshot. As you can see, I haven't changed the chart. I have the same lines here, the same text, everything the same. So what we can see here, we were right here when I shared the screenshot. Let's take a look at it again. You see it, it was right at this bottom here. And what happened then, I was expecting this to jump to 400 and test 400 as a resistance and then continue on the way down to $50. But I was obviously too optimistic, because it didn't even jump back up. All it could do is just go sideways for a month. And now it finally broke down again. So this is one reason why I always say that it's very risky to go long during bear markets, because even for crypto, which is very volatile, and you can go long and short if you do it properly, but it's still, sometimes you just don't know when you hit main support. You just don't know if it'll actually bounce or just go sideways. So it's not worth going long here. That's why it's risky to go long in bear markets, just like it's risky to go short in bull markets. For example, here, here it actually went down quite a lot from top to bottom. But you can see the level where the candles close. It would have been very difficult to time this for a short position here. It's just better to, take profit at the peak and then just let it do its thing, and then you go long on moving averages when it bounces on moving average. And same thing for shorts during bear markets. You just let it, you short when it bounces off moving average, for example here, and then you take profit wherever your target is, and then you don't go long. You just let it do its thing, and next time it touches moving average and starts to bounce back down, then you short again. Then you take profit on the target, and you don't go long. You just let it do its thing, and then next time it touches moving average, then you short, which is what happened here. So another thing that happened here in this time since last month when I shared the screenshot is that it formed yet another bear flag. So if we draw the pole here from top to bottom, and then we copy paste this line and put it down here, right at the level of the breakdown, surprise, surprise, it's again going to the same target. So $50 makes a lot of sense for Ethereum. $50 or somewhere around this level. Of course, it's not going to be exact, probably. But yeah, we had yet another bear flag within the big bear flag here. So yeah, it just bounced off the 20-day moving average, continue lower. However, guys, I wanted to clarify something here. I don't think I'm a person that's impressed easily when it comes to markets and, and price action. I don't get impressed so easily in bear markets or in bull markets. I'm a little bit impressed of how badly Ethereum is breaking down. And with these, I mean, it's getting to a point where it's a little bit, it's getting risky to short here, not because I don't think it's going to make the target at 50. I think it will make the target at 50. However, we might have a run up before continuing down, because this is extremely extended in the downside. I mean, if we look at the weekly candles, it's just too far from moving averages to be shorting here. The price will always go back to the moving averages at some point. Of course, the difficult thing is to time it properly, to go short or long. That's the hard part. But we know for sure the price will always go back to meet moving averages. So it's super extended from moving averages. It's very risky to go to continue to go short unless you are already short for a long time. If you started shorting when it broke down for 100, then perfect, you can hold it. I do think it'll go to $50 eventually. That might be the bottom maybe, so that's fine. But if you're not short yet, I'm expecting, anytime now, this thing to reverse and go back up and bounce back up like vertically. Look how extended the RSI is on the weekly candles. It's rounding here, so I'm expecting a few weeks of upside here because this has gone down too much and too fast. So yeah, the short message for this video, guys, is target for Ethereum is $50. However, I would be expecting a bounce back up before continuing lower. So, risky to enter short right now. That's all for the quick update, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.